Today I'm going to make another personalized badge for my YouTube members. Okay, as a YouTuber, guys, as a streamer, we want our members to be like special. They are the ones who help us to grow our channel. So I want them, guys, or we want them then to be like when they go our live stream, there is a personalized badge. As a streamer, guys, we want our members, our joint button members to be stand out during the live streaming, so we will make something special badge for them, a personalized one. So that's what we are going to do this today. So first thing first, we have to go to PixArt. Once we are here, I will choose circle because this is the other way of making this one. So I will choose circle. So all you have to do, guys, is to scroll. You have to check which one you like to choose. Circle again. Yes, this one. Okay, guys, once you are here in the PixArt, this is the scenario. Once you search the yellow circle, so you have to choose here, and we have to choose somewhere here, like so. This one. Okay. Now we have to choose the best or the strongest color. Okay. Now, in my case, guys, I want my, as I always say, I want my members to be stand out. Okay, so I want them to use the badge which is very stronger color. So I choose this yellow color. Now, once I use this stronger color like this, we have to put apply. Okay, this is another way of making also the personalized badge. So I will choose apply. There you go, and I have to choose the background, and I will use the white background. You can choose whatever background you want. Okay, there are a lot of backgrounds, and also the colors, guys. There's a lot of color you have to choose, but for me, I want to choose the white one. There you go. Now you have now the white one color. You have now the white one color. There you go. So from there, you can adjust this one, guys, by pulling it up. There you go. Adjust until the both edge are balanced. Sorry. There you go. Now, it seems that it's already balanced, guys. Okay. Then tap somewhere here to remove this one. To remove the highlighter one. This one. Tap. Okay, it's already there. Now, you have to put the name. For example, me, because it is personalized. My name is Purestoneheart, but Purestoneheart is so the length is very long, so I have to do the abbreviation. So we will now add the Purestoneheart abbreviation, the letter. We have to add the text. We have to press the text. There you go. And I want my personalized like Purestone P S H. Now this is now the Purestoneheart, the PSH, and now press the check, and there you go. Now again, guys, we will choose the simplest font as we could. Once again, I will choose, and I always love this font, guys, because it's very good. Now you have to adjust again, drag it there, and adjust it on the top. There you go. You can also drag more. There you go. You can also drag more you can choose whatever the position will be, guys. Here, like for example, me, it seems like very small, yet they are very distant to each other, so we have to press this here, guys. Ayan. So bring it closer together and adjust. You can play, guys, you can play whatever here. Now there you go, I already have the PSH. Now we will choose another. We will add, once you have to add another text, guys, you have to press again back and write BIP, because they are my BIP, guys. There you go, another, the same process, text, and now you have to adjust again. There you go, guys. Yeah, so you have already the 2 BIP. Yes. Now we will choose the color now, guys, by adding the stroke first. I want the stroke like the same process. You have to choose the color and all. I want the strong color, you can adjust. I will put like 35. There you go, 35 or 40. There you go. And here the same, guys, I want the same stroke. The color is the same. The color is the same. And I want it like 40. Okay. So they both have now 40 stroke. Now next is we will go for the color. I want the color black. The same process here, guys. I want the color black. Okay, there. Now you can have it there, and it seems like it's too different. It's not really like good one yet. So you have to adjust, guys. If you want that one to be like inside the circle or change that one, you can do also. You can choose here, guys. Yeah, there's bend. You can do bend and adjust the bending. See, you can do like that. You can play here, guys. Yes, but for me this one is enough. And there you go, and adjust it. Or you can better yet little bit like this one and adjust. Yeah, you can adjust. It's up for you how to adjust, guys. Now also this one, go to bend. You can choose like this, or you can choose like this, BIP. There you go. I like that one, guys. There you go. And now you can adjust the color. You can adjust the size. You can bring it up. You can bring this one up. You can also bring this one up. There you go. So adjust the other side. Adjust the other side. There you go. And it seems that this is really okay now. So there you go. You have already your other version or other sizes. You can add photos, you can add sticker, you can add call out as you wish, guys. But for me, I want this simple as like this. Thank you so much, guys. And now you can save this one once again. Save. Press this one. Press. Continue. There you go. Save. Save. Save to gallery. Save to gallery. Now we will check guys, if it is already in the gallery. Now we will go to photo, library, and Pixar. There you go, guys. We have already this one. And this is already saved. Now you can upload this one in your YouTube studio for your personalized. Thank you.